Okay guys, let's go for another one. What I have here, myths about feedback score. Okay, you guys have low performance, you're wondering what can I do, okay? You heard some solutions here and there, you heard about AI tags, you heard about insider fix, you heard about Facebook feedback score, comments. There is this all things together that can help you get more better results, and you're like, is it the right moment? Should I do it now? Should I try with another account? And you just keep consistently trying things. So it's all right. My advice here is from a guy that helped thousands of e-com guys scale their e-com businesses, dropshipping businesses to the next level. It's very important to being able to see, okay, that's my winning structure. Okay, let me invest on that. You have to see it like an asset. Okay, you want to invest on that winning structure and make it stronger. You don't want okay, that's not working for me anymore, let me try something else. You want to respect that winning asset. Once you respect it, you will add to it more value. Okay, it's like plant that you put the water and it's growing. You don't put water, it's not growing. So you need to invest your resources in there. What it means, all right, maybe I should add a backup. Okay, maybe I should use a VPS, so wherever I travel, it's always logging to the same computer in the same place. Okay, maybe I should invest on having some marketing expert checking, auditing what's going on my account. Okay, someone that's working in here or there. I should consider improve, I don't know, all my sections on my pages. There is a lot of things to do to actually being sure to increase your performance. That's why I believe that having a package with all those solutions to help you have a little bit of all of this, it's good. And of course, if you're not ready to put the effort at your level right now, maybe you cannot do all of it, but you need to see it like a step-by-step process. Okay, when you go to the gym the first time, you don't get shredded right away, right? It takes time, it's a process. So maybe you can do one step today and give the goal for the next 3 months, do the other step. And that's the way you grow your business, and that's the way you grow it and not destroy it. Because a lot of people will grow it today, and then whatever happens, they're not being able to continue what they've been starting because something go wrong, or the product is not hitting as usual. Maybe there is a wave ban. Maybe it's not even against you. There is a wave ban and boom, Facebook is restricting everyone. I mean, there is so much issues that can go on that you don't want to okay, it will be all right. And you know that if you're probably spending maybe 80% of your traffic on Meta platform and you're not diversifying either in other shops or other businesses or whatsoever, and you know, guys, that you're taking the risk. So if you're taking the risk, you really want to invest, okay, stay in that idea, invest on how you can protect that asset, because you know that your money will come from the success of that asset. If this asset is going right, if what you're nurturing is going right, then it can just benefit you from the future, because once it's sorted, you can maybe fix it multiple times. So I would say my best advice is focus on what already been working for you, all right? And don't try to change everything too quickly. And you should set aside a small budget on protecting that thing that is good for you, that is important for you, you know? It's like having a child and not taking care of it. No, it's important. It's your money-making machine, so you want to respect it. And it's not when it's going to die out, oh, hey, I need to call someone, that contact, that plug, whatever. We are the plug. We have many fixes. We can sort it out for you most of the time. What if you're in the other side? What if you're the 5%, the 3% that maybe you cannot have your situation sorted right now? So that's what I'm saying. It's good to prevent that situation and make sure that in advance everything is sorted. That way you can have your business scaling for the long run. So guys, if you want to get better results, cheaper, better performance, more stable performance, because sometimes you will be blinded saying, oh hey, there is this cashback account, or I heard of this or whatever. You'll be thinking of the short-term reward that you're gonna get. But what if it's okay to pay more expensive today on an account that is stronger than an agency account, and then have better results on the long run? By the way, if you don't know what is agency accounts, I have many videos. It's smooth and scaling agency accounts. You get tons of value about that. But you really want that you get the stable performance all around the year, and you want to have all those things available that can protect and shield your business. You want to have that set up, because if you don't, you know that you're playing with your money, and then when everything is restricted, bro, it's gonna be sad. I know. I mean, it's okay. Sometimes we have ego, and can be oh, I knew it, but you know? So it's good to just take things in a, like, to do it step by step and like protect resources. And on the long run, you'll be happy because when you see like your friends, they got this issue, that issue, you'll be like, I did right. My shit is safe and now I can invest on this secondary shop, this other shop. I can expand on this team and this other market and etc. etc. So guys, if you want to get better results, protect your assets because this is one of the most important things that you have. It's, you know, that Meta is bringing you all of your business for most of the people, or Google. There is also like Google's protection, I would say, solution. You can do a lot of things as well on Google. You can check what competitors do. You can have right insights. You can use partners to do this and that. You guys know what I mean. And yeah, you know what's the play there and what's the option. So it's so important. And check out our Discord channel. Check out all our solutions. Send me a DM so we can see together with my team how we can help you get better performance. And yeah, guys, let's scale your business. We'll have our team auditing, some contacts of us that will view and tell you what's the right way for you to scale. Okay, so see you in the other one. Subscribe and love you guys.